reports are coming in from Rajasthan and also from Punjab. Some preventive measures or preemptive measures being taken right now, and I can see Ghazali joining us as well from Poonch. But before that, let me bring in Gurpreet and Harsha because there is alert on border districts along Punjab and in Rajasthan. Punjab Police has cancelled leaves of all its officers and high alert in multiple districts in Rajasthan, in Jaisalmer, in Barmer, in Bikaner. Let me bring in Harsha first. Harsha, so precautionary measures being taken, particularly schools being shut. Do we know till when?
Well, yes, we are at Tanot. This is the last outpost on the Jaisalmer border. Now, I have some people here with me. It's a bustling temple, but now there are severe restrictions. In fact, people are not allowed to come. यहाँ पर लोगों का भी आना जाना बंद कर दिया क्योंकि हम देखते हैं कि वैसे तो मंदिर के लिए बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, लेकिन आज यहाँ पर कोई नहीं दिख रहे हैं. He's retired. He's from the BSF and he's running a small store here. आपका नाम बताइए. हाँ.
मेरा नाम अमरेंद्र है. हाँ. अभी यात्रियों का आना जाना बंद तो नहीं हुआ, गर्मी की वजह से नहीं यार. हाँ. कुछ देश के माहौल की वजह से भी नहीं यार. हाँ. बाकी कोई अभी बंद करने का कोई आदेश नहीं. मंदिर भी बंद नहीं है. हाँ. यात्री आ रहे हैं लेकिन कम आ रहे हैं. जी. और हमने देखा कि रास्ते में हमको भी रोका गया था कि भाई आगे नहीं आ सकते जो जैसलमेर से बाहर के. वो सिर्फ प्रोटेक्शन के लिए है, जो आप कोई जो ऐसे तत्व हैं जो वहाँ उधर नहीं जा सके इसलिए रोका गया था. तो सेफ्टी के लिए, आपके सेफ्टी के लिए, देश की सेफ्टी के लिए.
कितना दूर है यहाँ से बॉर्डर?
22 किलोमीटर.
22 किलोमीटर. ओके. भैया यहाँ पर क्या माहौल है? कुछ ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी बढ़ा दी गई है?
माहौल शांत है सब कुछ.
हाँ, यहाँ पर मतलब सिक्योरिटी है.
हाँ, सिक्योरिटी
चेकिंग ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
चेकिंग वगैरह और बाकी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर. गाँव वाले वगैरह शांत है.
जी जी. So here at the border, this is 22 kilometers away from the Pakistan border. This is the BSF temple of Tanot, and here we are now. It's restricted area. We are not allowed to, in fact, even shoot here. And we've just been allowed to do this live report, and then we'll be heading back from here. So there's a heightened security on all the border districts. Schools have been shut in Ganganagar, Bikaner, Barmer, Jaisalmer, and in Jodhpur, the airport is closed. So the airport has been closed, and there will be no flights which will be coming in. Kishangarh airport is also closed. Barmer, Jaisalmer, Bikaner and Jaisalmer were anyway not operational in the summer. So there is definitely a heightened sense of security, but visibly there's not a lot of movement that is happening here. You don't see a lot of army movement, or you don't see a lot of movement. But yes, checks are definitely in place. We can sense that. We were also stopped many times when we were driving here.
Yes. So Harsha, precautionary measures being taken. India has to ensure complete safety and security of its citizens. Young children, because when Pakistan carried out that shelling, indiscriminate shelling along the LOC, 2 young children have lost their lives. So Pakistan is targeting our civilians, while India has carried out a very focused, measured and non-escalatory, target of Pakistan. It was no military facilities targeted. It is clearly aimed at avoiding any kind of conflict or escalation between the two nations. Gurpreet is joining us. Gurpreet, you are telling us that Punjab Police has cancelled leaves of all its officers. What else can you tell us?
Well, yes, we are reporting from district Firozpur, and we have come into interior of district Firozpur, where we have seen that a lot of precautions have been taken by the local administration. One side, all the schools have been shut down in all over the district, so that there should not be panic among the parents, and the children should be at home. And the way we have seen, the multiple mock drills are being carried out by the local authorities, so that the people should be aware of the situation. And the way we have seen the piquant situation between both the country at this point of time, multiple discussions are being carried with the local administration, so that we have seen whether it's the blackout rehearsal which is already taken place in Firozpur 2 times, so that the people should be familiar. Nobody is allowed to move towards the border area. We are also reporting from district Firozpur, but nobody is allowed to go toward border area. Not only here in this district Firozpur, we have seen the lot of precautions precautions had been taken in Amritsar also, Gurdaspur also, Pathankot. School have already been shut down, and specifically in Amritsar and Firozpur we have seen beating retreat ceremony has already been stopped. The way we have seen the situation is going on between both the nations. As of now, what we have seen, the people, they are having high spirit. They say it's the need of the hour to uproot this terrorism, because multiple times the Indians have faced the brunt of this ongoing terrorist activities, and specifically this anti-India activities have been happening from across the border. So whatever Indian government has taken action, that was required at this point of time, and the people here in Firozpur, they are saying that they are with the nation and they are in high spirit, because they say they have already seen two wars in 1965 and 1971, but this time the way this action has been carried out against the hideouts of terrorists, that was required. And now the lot of precautions, because these administration, they are getting guidelines from the state authority, and the state authority is already in touch with the central government also. We have seen the multiple decision had been taken by the state government. We have seen Home Minister has already taken the meeting of all the chief minister who belong to the border area, and specifically Punjab is a sensitive porous border with Pakistan, and so that's why we have seen the lot of moments, a lot of blackout rehearsals which are being carried out, and lot of siren and other medical facilities which they are telling, and how the drills will be continuing in this area. So they are saying that the main aim to tell the people that they should be aware of the situation. The moment they will give the siren, immediately the people will be able to understand the situation on the ground.